Sweden will provide Ukraine with a military aid package worth almost $1.6 billion, Swedish Defence Minister Jonson announced. The latest package is Sweden's largest tranche of military assistance since the beginning of Russia's full-scale invasion in 2022, according to Jonson. The package includes, among other things, support for Ukraine's air defense, artillery, satellite communications, and maritime capacity, the minister said on X. With this package, Sweden's support to Ukraine since 2022 amounts to 80 billion Swedish kronor, or $8 billion, the country's government said. This assistance has included Archer self-propelled howitzers, Strv 122 tanks, and CV-90 infantry fighting vehicles. The latest package includes $912 million worth of equipment that will be procured from the Swedish defence industry and delivered to Ukraine in the span of about 0 to 24 months. It also encompasses a $465 million donation to international multilateral initiatives, the Ukraine Defense Contact Group, and purchases from the Ukrainian defense industry. Kiev will further receive material and spare parts from the Swedish Armed Forces worth about $93 million, including M/58 machine guns, ammunition, roughly 100 vehicles of various types for airbase maintenance and other support. Stockholm is also allocating $46 million for an export guarantee to supplement procurement for donations to Ukraine, ensuring more Swedish companies can support Kyiv by providing requested material. Finally, the Swedish Defence Material Administration, a state military procurement agency, will also be tasked with identifying, testing and funding military solutions from small tech companies that need to be verified or scaled up for military purposes in Ukraine, Jonson said. Amid the speculation surrounding this package, attention has zeroed in on the potential inclusion of CB-90 combat boats manufactured by Swedish defence giant Saab. These vessels, known formally as Stridsbat 90H, have been a cornerstone of Sweden's naval forces since their introduction in 1991. Designed for rapid deployment in coastal and riverine environments, the CB-90 is a 52-foot-long, all-aluminium craft capable of carrying up to 21 fully equipped troops or 4.5 tons of cargo. Powered by two Scania DSI-14 V8 diesel engines producing a combined 1,250 horsepower, the boat uses twin Kamiwa FF water jets to achieve speeds exceeding 40 to 46 miles per hour. Its shallow draft, less than 3 feet, enables operations in waters where larger ships cannot venture, while its agility allows it to execute sharp turns and stop within 2 boat lengths. Standard armament includes 3 Browning M2HB, 50 caliber machine guns and a 40mm Mk19 grenade launcher, though the platform can be adapted to carry light anti-ship missiles like the RBS-17 or even torpedoes, as suggested by recent Swedish trials reported by outlets like Naval News. A torpedo capability would extend their reach, allowing strikes against larger targets like corvettes or amphibious landing craft, which Russia has used to reinforce its positions in occupied southern Ukraine.
The Chinese military announced large-scale drills in the waters and airspace around Taiwan on Tuesday that included an aircraft carrier battle group. According to Associated Press, the joint exercises involve Navy, air, ground and rocket forces and are meant to be a severe warning and forceful containment against Taiwan independence, according to Strv, a spokesperson for the People's Liberation Army's Eastern Theater Command. No operational name for the drills was announced nor previous notice given. China considers Taiwan a part of its territory, to be brought under its control by force if necessary. But most Taiwanese favor their de facto independence and democratic status. Any conflict could bring in the US, which maintains a series of alliances in the region and is legally bound to treat threats to Taiwan. The Chinese military conducted large-scale drills in the waters around Taiwan on Tuesday as it again warned the self-ruled island against seeking independence. According to Associated Press, the joint exercises involve Navy, air, ground, and rocket forces and are meant to crush all plots and actions to split the motherland, according to Liu Zhengwei of Rocket Forces. China considers Taiwan a part of its territory, to be brought under its control by force if necessary, while most Taiwanese favor their de facto independence and democratic status. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense said it had tracked 19 Chinese Navy vessels in the waters surrounding the island in a 24-hour period from 6 a.m. Monday until 6 a.m. Tuesday. It added that it had been tracking the movement of the Shandong aircraft carrier since Saturday and that the carrier group had entered into Taiwan's identification zone, a self-defined area tracked by the military. Taiwan and China split amid civil war 76 years ago, but tensions have risen since 2016, when China cut off almost all contacts with Taipei.